Hey guys, so today I'm making a soap I'm calling Neutron Star Collision, and it's named after the song by the band Muse. Another great song in my opinion, which of course all of the soaps I make are named after great songs in my opinion. You should definitely check them out if you've never heard them before. So this soap is scented in a fragrance called Artemis by Nurture Soap, which is one of my favorite fragrance suppliers. It's kind of reminiscent of walking outdoors on an autumn day. It's kind of got crisp leaves, acorns, cedar. It's got a little vanilla. It's kind of a blend of all of the things you might smell outdoors walking in the autumn. It's very pleasant, but it's also one of those that not everyone loves. So I'm coloring it with activated charcoal and black iron oxide, and I'm not going for a deep black. I'm kind of going for a really dark charcoal color. I like the look of the dark black soaps. However, you can stain washcloths when you go too black, and I'm not trying to stain anyone's washcloths. But I'm very happy with the color I wind up getting. And if you haven't noticed already by the peaks that you get of my clothing in these videos, gray is actually my favorite color. Every t-shirt I own is a shade of gray. Just a fun fact about me. So anyhow, the very simple soap, just a solid color, dark charcoal color. And I've got a crescent moon embed that I made a few weeks ago that is a really light gray and a white kind of swirled together, but they're so similar in color you can't really see that they're swirled, and that's kind of how I wanted it. And I'm very happy with the way this soap turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. was cutting them, I noticed that the center of them gelled just a little bit, even though I immediately put them in the freezer right after making them. So I didn't notice on this first bar, but on the second ones, I started to notice there was a little ring right around the moon, and it kind of gives it a really cool effect, honestly. It kind of looks like a shadow behind the moon. As you can see on that one right there that I'm about to cut, you can see where the circle is. But I'm not upset about it. I think it kind of looks a little cool. So yeah, you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think of that. I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think of that effect. So yeah, very happy with them, and they should be ready in 4 to 6 weeks. Stay posted. I'll let you know when they're ready, and see you guys next time.